Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. If you want to join me on my stream and all that stuff, check it out. The links are in the description, and also join my other channel and join me on Twitter. So let's actually get with the news. The first thing is Telegram users are seeking to sue Telegram. At least some of them are. And it's not the fact that they're being offered 72% immediate refund or even 100%, 110% refund in April. They're pissed off because Telegram spent $405 million of the $1.7 billion raised on development, and they're not getting anything from it. So they're considering filing a lawsuit, and what they really want is equity in the Telegram app. They don't want their money back. They want equity in the Telegram app. There at least is one fund and one large investor that will want to do it, but they say as many as 1/4 of all investors might want to start a class action lawsuit. So Telegram has definitely got a pickle on its hands, and this should serve as a stark warning for any company trying to do an ICO. If your ICO fails because the SEC smacked you down like they smacked Telegram down, they might be coming for your equity. So if you're trying to do an ICO just so you don't have to give up equity, that might not be such a good idea because you might get your ass sued, especially if this lawsuit if this lawsuit actually hits Telegram. You might actually have to give up a lot of equity anyways. So these investors are actually after the equity of Telegram, not so much a refund, because Telegram did actually spend some of that money raised and they're not getting anything out of it. So they want Telegram equity. Stark warning to any company that wants to ICO, just so they don't have to give up equity or shares. The next news is actually good news with XRP Tipbot. Now the Netherlands has started implementing, cryptocurrency regulations. As a result, Wheatswind and XRP Tipbot can't really meet all those demands. So in desperation, Wheats reached out to Uphold, and they basically banked them. Bada bang, bada boom. They have an exchange. They now have a fiat on-ramp, off-ramp, and it's a much easier way to use Tipbot. The one thing is you do have to take action. You do actually have to take action, and you do have to link your Tipbot to an Uphold account. Since I actually use Brave and use Uphold anyways, I already have an Uphold account, so that won't be an issue for me. So the Tipbot and app will live on. So there's going to be more information coming from Wheats, and he's finishing the last line of code. But he's saying that people won't have to part with a single drop of XRP, and the people at Uphold and him will make migration as simple as a few clicks. So that is really awesome. That's going to expand Tipbot a lot and maybe even affect the XRP price. I doubt it. I doubt it'll affect XRP price, but it will make this Tipbot easier to use, as it has somewhat of a banking support, and it has a fiat on-ramp and a fiat off-ramp for XRP Tipbot. That's really awesome. Wheatswind is rocking it. Now, the last bit of news is that most Bitcoin investors will actually buy altcoins during bull runs, and there's research that's actually shown this. So the quick take is Bitcoin investors tend to buy altcoins during bull runs, according to Coinbase data. And Coinbase said as people feel good about their initial crypto investments into Bitcoin, they branch out into other possible categorical winners. And this is something, this is backed by research now. This is something I've been saying to people over and over and over and over again. It's dude, don't worry. When Bitcoin gets past a certain amount, altcoins will go up. That requires Bitcoin getting past a certain amount. And I think that magical number is around 20 or 30,000. So you might have to wait a while. But this whole notion of there won't be an altcoin run, there's only going to be a Bitcoin run, I do not think that is going to be the case. And this research from Coinbase actually supports it. While Bitcoin is the choice among crypto investors, during a bull run, people seek larger profits and therefore they buy into altcoins. So Coinbase said 60% of its users buy Bitcoin first, but only 24% of them stay with Bitcoin only. So of the 60% that buy Bitcoin first, and that's actually a lot less than the last bull run, 75% of that 60% go to buy altcoins afterwards to seek bigger returns. So if you're thinking only Bitcoin run but not altcoin run, that notion I believe is a complete mistake, and you're going to be missing out a lot if you don't actually get into Bitcoins. Bitcoin dominance will grow for the time being, but it will actually peter out into other coins as Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high. So that is the update for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.